If your mail app is not loading emails or it's just not working properly, I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed no matter what iPhone you have. Now, if you have the mail app open, the first thing you're going to do is just swipe down a couple of times. You'll see that loading icon. You probably have already done that, but if that doesn't work for you, let's swipe up and close out of the mail app here. Next, we're going to open up the Settings app on your iPhone and check a couple things. First, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds and toggle it back off. Essentially, disconnect and reconnect to your internet to see if that fixes your emails, and they'll start loading at that point. However, if that doesn't work, that's no problem. Let's go down to the bottom and tap on Apps, and then scroll down until you get to Mail on this list and tap on that. The first thing we're going to do within here is tap on Mail Accounts and find the account that you're having issues with. Let's say, in this case, Gmail. You can tap on it, and first I would recommend toggling mail off. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete any of your emails. They're all still on the server, and then just toggle it back on. This just basically reinitiates the emails on your account on your phone. And next, we're going to tap Account Settings, and you're going to check your name and your email address here, and then tap on Outgoing Server and make sure this is set to on, and of course the toggle on here is turned on. And now after we've done that, we'll go back and tap on Advanced at the bottom, and again, make sure Incoming Use SSL is turned on. This is for incoming emails. If these don't work to fix it, the next thing we're going to do is just go back to your mail account, and then we're going to scroll down and make sure cellular data is turned on. Sometimes if you're turned this feature off and you're only connected to cell data, it won't load those emails. So make sure to turn this on. And then in addition to that, we're going to scroll down from here, tap on Privacy Protection, and choose to turn this off for a few seconds and see if it works, and then turn it back on and see if that fixes it. Now, if any of these don't fix it, there's another step that you can take that almost always fixes it. Next, what we're going to do is tap the back arrow until we get to the beginning of your settings. Tap on General towards the bottom, and then scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then choose Reset. From here, we're going to reset your network settings, and just enter in the passcode used to unlock your phone, and choose to reset network settings. Again, a lot of times this fixes it because there's an issue with your network. If you go through all these steps and it's still not working, the next thing I would recommend doing is going back to the beginning of your settings. Again, scroll down and tap on Apps, and then scroll down and tap on Mail on this list, and then choose Mail Accounts at the top. All we're going to do is choose an email account. Again, that's not working. Choose to delete this account and hit Delete from my iPhone. Now, this might sound scary, but again, all of these emails are on the server. So essentially, you're just going to delete it from your iPhone and then just add it right back to re-upload all those emails. So hit Delete from my iPhone and it will remove this account. But after you've done that, all you need to do is hit back and hit Add an Account, and then just enter in your email address or hit Choose from a list. And you can just log back into your Google or Gmail, email, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, Microsoft Exchange, whatever you might have. If you go through all these steps and it's still not working, let's do a force restart on your phone. To do that, press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Keep holding it even though it says slide power off. You're just going to hold it until your iPhone screen goes completely black, just like that. And then wait to see when the Apple logo appears. And when it does, release your fingers and you've done that force restart, a lot of times fixing the Mail app not loading or not working. If you enjoyed this video, I highly recommend checking out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.